Hello, this is Gloria Hamilton. A discussion of rational versus intuitive, whether it's in decision making or any other process, needs to have set parameters. Because in essence, both are part of the same human being that is partaking in the decision making process. One is not in opposition, in competition, or diametrically opposed to the other. They are in concert within a person. When asked how many senses we have, nearly all of us would say 5. These are visual, seeing, auditory, hearing, olfactory, smelling, gustatory, tasting, and touch, sometimes called kinesthetic, although from a physiologist's point of view that is not quite accurate. There is, however, another sense that plays a huge role in how we human beings function as a holistic being, and that is intuition. So why this deliberate attempt at causing division within a person? We can see the origins in the movement known as the Enlightenment of the 17th and 18th centuries, when logic and critical reasoning, as well as scientific evidence, were being advocated. This, as we know, is left brain activity or rational activity of the frontal lobe. Now, in the 21st century, we seem to have come full circle. We are now in a period advocating human consciousness and the re-emergence of openly using our intuition as guidance in decision making. This is then classed as right brain activity. However, it is more than just another activity of the frontal lobe. It goes deeper than that, coming from our subconscious. Rational activities of decision making include fact-finding, analysis of these findings, data and statistical gathering, and comparisons of these over certain periods of time, diagnostic and investigative analysis of all kinds. In other words, the nuts and bolts of the topic we need to make a decision about. These are tangibles, even if not always to be relied upon for accuracy. Intuitive activities are more intangible, but in my view, more powerful. Intuition comes from the core essence of a person. When intuition has been practiced over a longer period of time, and the left brain interference is no longer a stumbling block to accuracy, intuition is more reliable as a decision-making process as it is unbiased. Let me explain further. Intuition makes itself known as deliberate gut feelings, mental messages, whispers, a knowing, a download or downloads, a sixth sense that the practitioner recognizes as a response to a decision-making process, to a decision-making question. Many famous people have been known to use intuition as the final decider of a decision. Richard Branson, Albert Einstein, George Washington, Edgar Cayce, and Warren Buffett, who has said that even if the facts line up to make a company worth investing in, if his gut feeling tells him not to, that's that. He is not going to buy into the company. He did it once and it wasn't successful. Intuition is now being called the new common sense. Perhaps it's time to stop provoking competition between rational decision-making and intuitive decision-making and have them collaborate for a better result. Until next time, here's to your magnificence.